Hello, friends. So, yesterday we learned how to make a penguin, and we also started our lesson to talk about Antarctica and the South Pole, where penguins live, and the Arctic in North America, where polar bears live, um, the North Pole. So, today we are going to make polar bears for the Arctic North Pole. So you need one of your blank pieces of paper from your clear plastic envelope. You also have a half sheet of paper that has 3 circles. So you need this paper and your watercolor paint. And today I'm going to use one black colored pencil. You'll also need your scissors and 1 cup of water for your paint. So I'm going to change my camera so you can see, and glue. Forgot about the glue stick. Okay, so let me change my camera angle so you can see what is on my workspace. Okay, my blank paper, my circle paper, glue, scissors. I'm going to put my black pencil over here. Cup of water and my paint and paintbrush. So first, I'm going to start by painting my white piece of paper because I want it to look like a cold, icy scene at the North Pole in the Arctic. So I'm going to do all blue. Okay. Let me wash off my brush, scrub it on the bottom, tap, 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 and I'm going to let this dry. Don't forget to empty your dirty water. Okay, so I have painted my background. Now I'm going to let this dry to the side. I'm checking to see if my table's wet. Nope. Okay, now I'm ready to start making my polar bear. 1, 2, 3 circles. Small, large, medium. Okay, I'm always going to cut my paper into smaller parts to make my circle cutting easier. So there's my large circle, and I'm going to cut in between my medium and small. I'm going to start by cutting my large circle. My helping hand is doing a lot of work, turning my paper, and my cutting hand is slowly opening and closing. Okay, I cut out my first circle. I'm going to put my scraps right here. There's my project. All right, I'll cut out my medium circle. Two. And now my small circle. 3. Okay, I have all of my circles cut. Now I'm going to stack them. Let me see if my paper is dry enough. I think it is. So I'm going to start with the large circle and glue it onto my background. Then I'm going to stack my medium circle right on top of my large circle. And I'm going to stack my small circle on top of my medium-sized circle. So let me start with the large. I'm going to glue the smaller one a little bit on the bottom of my medium one. Let me show you what I mean. My medium circle, I glued in the middle of my large circle, and then my small one I kind of put on the bottom of my medium, so I had a little space on top. Okay, I'm going to draw the eyes of my polar bear. Now, the nose of my polar bear. Gonna do a really long black ellipse shape. And I'm gonna color it in because polar bears have black noses. And then I'm gonna make the mouth by making two curved lines that come down from the polar bear's nose. Okay. Now I completely forgot when I was crumbling my scrap paper that I actually need some of my scrap paper. But that's okay that I crumbled it. I'm going to open it up because I need some of the bigger pieces to make 4 legs. So let me see if I have enough to make 4 legs. I think I do. Okay, I'm going to keep these scraps And I'm going to open them up and draw 4 legs to cut out. So I'm going to draw another ellipse shape like this. And then I'm going to make 2 lines like a paw. Let me do that again. I'm going to draw an ellipse shape. And then do 2 lines so it looks like a paw. I need to do 2 more. Ellipse shape. And 1 more. Okay, now I need to cut these out and glue them down. You might be also able to draw them on your paper, maybe with a black crayon. One more leg. Okay, now let me glue down my 4 legs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't forget to roll your glue down before you put the lid on. There is my polar bear. And remember, our polar bear lives up in the North Pole near North America in the Arctic. And our polar bear will never meet that penguin that lives in Antarctica on the South Pole of our Earth. Okay, nice job doing your polar bear work today. I'll see you later, friends. Bye.